Hello, class. I just wanted to take a moment to have a look at Microsoft Word with you to make sure that you can see how to prepare some of your work for in APA or in any format. So you will note one of your options is to pull up an APA style report where everything that you need in a report has already been put together, and you can just pull it up and place your information in there. The only thing that I don't like about the Microsoft Word is it does not, when you get to the references at the end of your paper, um, the word references is to be centered, and Microsoft Word puts it as a left justify. So make sure you do center it. All right, so let's have a quick look at a blank document here. Let me show you a section to be aware of. That's weird. Okay, we'll go here under references. And references in this section here offers you options, and you can just do the drop down menu and you can see all the different formats of writing that are available, and you can pick which one you want. Please a note here, Turabian. There was actually a lady named Kate Turabian, and she was doing a class that required Chicago font. She was having problems with it, so she created her own little workbook, and it worked so well that all of her classmates wanted copies, and now you can see copies of the Turabian, but it is actually Chicago style manual, but it's in a shortened version. But we're working in APA, the 6th edition. Do that, and when you do it, it will allow you to do things like insert a citation. You can add a new source. You can manage your sources, put them together correctly, how you need to do them. You can, the nice thing about it is it will put your information together correctly. Bibliography, just a comment on that, a bibliography is actually a look at everything, all the documents that you looked at, whether you used them in your paper or not. When you do a references in APA, you only put the ones that you actually document in your paper, but this allows you to have a good overview. And if you get to the end of the writing your paper and you suddenly remember a paper you would have liked to have used, you can go back and find it. So there it is, all you need to know under references. It'll put the information in correctly when you put the quote in. So do take some time, footnotes, or excuse me, notes. We don't do footnotes and we don't do endnotes anymore. Haven't done that since I was in graduate school, and that's been a long time ago. But at any rate, take some time to check out references and see how it's done. Have a good week.